An unchanging proof of love, even when we're apart. Your words resonate in my heart. I'll never forget them. I'll keep the promise I made with you, walking forward for our future, believing in the path that love guides, dreaming of the day we meet again. Time may pass and seasons change, but our promise will remain. A beacon in the darkest night, guiding us through every meet again. I'll keep the promise I made.